Realm by ACS is a popular church management software, but before you decide if it's the right choice for your church, there are some important things you need to know. Stick with me, because we'll be comparing it to other options so you can make an informed decision. First, let's talk about the price. Realm is considered on the higher end of the pricing scale for church management software. While it offers a range of features, it can be expensive, especially for smaller churches with limited budgets. When compared to competitors like Planning Center or Church Track, Realm's pricing may not be the most affordable option for everyone. Next thing, let's look at ease of use. One of the key benefits of Realm is its user-friendly interface, but it's not perfect. Some users report a bit of a learning curve when first getting started. This can be frustrating if you need a quick, easy solution. On the other hand, software like Breeze or Church Community Builder tends to offer simpler, more intuitive setups, especially for smaller churches. The third thing is its features. Realm excels in managing people, groups, donations, and events. It includes integrated accounting tools, which can save time, but it may not be as comprehensive as dedicated financial software like QuickBooks. When it comes to advanced features like reporting and communication, Realm does a solid job, but it may lack some customization that other software solutions, like Church Track, offer. Next, Realm provides a mobile app that's available for both Android and iOS. While the app is convenient, some users have mentioned that it's a bit buggy at times and doesn't always sync smoothly with the desktop version. This can be an issue if you rely heavily on the mobile app for managing tasks on the go. Now let's talk about customer support. Realm's support team has a good reputation, but some users report delays in response times, especially during peak periods. This is something to consider, as more affordable options like Planning Center often provide faster, more responsive customer service. The sixth thing is customization. Realm offers a fair amount of customization when it comes to reports and forms, but there's room for improvement. If you need a highly customizable system, you might find it more difficult to get everything just right compared to systems like Church Community Builder, which offers more flexibility and customization. The seventh thing is integrations. Realm integrates well with ACS's other products, but when it comes to third-party integrations, it's a bit more limited than competitors. If you need to sync with a wide range of external apps, software like Planning Center or Breeze might offer more options. The eighth thing to keep in mind is that Realm is cloud-based, so you'll always have access to your data as long as you have an internet connection. However, if you have a poor internet connection, this can be a drawback, especially in areas with unreliable service. Now, Realm's reporting tools are robust, offering detailed insights into membership, donations, and attendance. However, these reports can sometimes be complex to navigate, which can be a downside for those looking for quick, simple data access. Other software, like Church Track, has more user-friendly reports that are easier for non-tech savvy users to understand. Next thing, Realm offers a full suite of tools for managing your church, but it doesn't offer as much in the way of church communication. If you need a lot of communication features like email and text marketing, you might find Realm lacking compared to alternatives like Planning Center or Breeze, which have stronger communication tools. The 11th thing to consider is the time it takes to set up. Realm does have a setup process, and although it's not overly complicated, it can take a while, especially if you're migrating data from another system. Competitors like Breeze and Church Track offer quicker, more straightforward setup processes. Finally, Realm by ACS can be a good option if you're looking for an all-in-one church management solution, especially for larger churches that need integrated accounting and event management. But if you're looking for something more affordable, easier to use, and with better customer support, you might want to check out our recommended solution. Plus, you can try it for free.